Hey everyone, Stevens here, and today we're gonna play some more Papa's Pancakeria HD. I just hit Cinco de Mayo. We're gonna now celebrate Cinco de Mayo. We got Maggie, Maggie, Gavia rolls. Sorry, I'm gonna eat it up. Day 102. I got Maggie order. I got chopped pancake with bacon, curd roll, orange juice, and ice. I'll make them. Pork bacon. I eat lollipop, orange juice, and ice. Here comes Cooper. Got Mitch. We got pork waffle, taco chip, and chocolate chip. And Australian orders: waffle, shaving cream, pancake, raspberry, waffle, and cream. I'm just kidding about waffle, shaving cream, berry. Got for one. We got 99 points. For waffle right there, for this. For shake. Got this one order for shake coffee right there, and for sugar. Here we go, Mitch. We got 99 points. We got Wally. Back to the oinker. Waffle, bacon. Shaving cream. We got blackberries, cherries, raspberry, or shaving cream, orange juice, and ice. We go Australian. I got 100 points. I got Carimo, or you got special recipe for Carimo. Shaving cream syrup, waffle, shaving cream syrup. I got like for sugar, for cinnamon, for sugar, syrup. Pour coffee. Sugar. Uh-oh. Sounds boring. Here we go. 100 points from Wally. Back at hat. I got Chuck. Oinker. Boygum Oinker again. This one. Here comes Kahana. And for this one, shaving cream. And pour this syrup right there. And pour waffle this one right there. Right there. Not done. No. Not yet. And there's this shaving cream here. And syrup. Right there. I'm almost ready. This one, there you go, caramel. I see it. 129 points! Oh, new special, Fruity Roaster from Caramel. Fruity Roasters, this new special from Caramel. I think so right there. I'm pouring the cinnamon roll. I'm just kidding about this, and I think so. Sorry about that, guys. Bacon oinker. Ice for this orange juice. For this ice. There we go, Chuck. We got 133 points. For blueberry, waffle, shaving cream, 2 rolls, 1, 2, berries, and honey. For this orange juice, for this ice, for this ice, and sugar. There we go, Kahana. We got 291 points. Kahana. Now it's close. And we did it. And you guys, and also have a point and also have services and also services. Alright, thanks guys, and thanks for watching guys. And see you later. Bye.